Here in this video, I will explain you about list, simple list. So I'll create program using notepad. So I'll type notepad list1.py and press enter. So it will create a new file list1.py. So I'll just type comment on first line list demo, that is non printable statement using empty square bracket. For example, list1 is equal to empty square bracket, it will create empty list. So I'll print this empty list using literal app equal to, in curly bracket I'll just pass list L1. I will save it, and when I run this program using Python command py list1 dot py, this will display a empty list is equal to empty square bracket. Square bracket represent list in Python. Now I wanted to create another list. I'll give command create new list with some value. With some elements. So list is a collection of similar or dissimilar data type elements. So I'll create list 2 is equal to, in square bracket I'll pass, suppose for example, number, integer number 1 2 3, comma, I'll pass a string, for example VCT, then I'll pass a single character inverted in single quotation A, another single character enclosed in double quotation B. I'll pass one more character, suppose capital or small c, then I'll pass a float number, for example triple one dot 23. I'll pass single number 1 2 3. So this is my list that have sufficient number of elements which are of different type. So using print command I'll display content of this list. So print, in print I'll pass content of list 2 is equal to list L2. I'll pass. I'll save this and run this program using Python. So this will display the content of list 2. So list 2 has dissimilar elements stored in it. Now here in this program we'll print individual array list element. In list, each element referred by position, that is index, and similar to array, list index starts from 0. So to print 0th element, for example, 0th element of list 2, I'll pass list 2 in square bracket 0, and I'll save it, and when I run this, so it will display 0th element, that is 1 2 3 is the 0th element. Similarly, I can print any element. Suppose I want to print A of this list which is at 0 1 2 second position. So I'll write it second element, that I'll pass L up to. I will save it, and when I run this, it will display A, that is the second element of the list. One more thing I wanted to mention, that here this line, these three lines are comment. In Python, multi-line comments are given in enclosed in three quotes, starting with three quotes and ended with three quotes. So in triple quotes, what you are enclosed, that is considered as comment, and which is not printable or not executable. Similar to this, we'll print range range of elements from the list. That is we can call it as a similar to this. We can range of print or select range of elements from the list, that is known as slicing. So to print that one, suppose I wanted to print element from A, B, C, only these three elements. So I'll have to mention index of that. So here index of A is 0, 1, 2. Index of A is 2. So I'll start in the range in printing. I'll pass 2 colon then 3, 4. So in Python we should mention, suppose I wanted to it print from ABC. So position or index of C is 3, sorry, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we must pass one extra number, that is 5. So in Python it starts printing from 2 to second number minus 1, that is 4. So when I save this and run this, so it will display ABC, that is range from 2 to 4. So instead of mentioning 4, that range must be the higher number is excluded or higher index is excluded from the index. Similarly, in Python, we can mention negative number as a position. That means we can't give negative index, but position can be given in negative. For example, if I want to print last element of this list, so I will pass L2 of -1. So position is always start from -1 is for last. So when I save it and when I run this, so it will print last element, that is 3. Similarly, this range can be given in negative. For example, I wanted to print ABC. So I will know the position, for example, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is -5, 6, 7. So I'll print range of list 2 from -7 colon. Now C is at -5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll mention -4, that is one number extra. So when I print, it will print ABC, that is from -5 to, sorry, -7 to -5. So I'll second number I mention position one number extra. So this is all about basic operations on list.